Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I look tired, even when I'm not? Or maybe you've seen other guys who don't have perfect genetics, but somehow they always look more attractive. Here's the truth. Most men don't have a genetics problem. They have a habits problem. The way your face looks today is heavily influenced by what you do every single day. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 science-based habits that can completely change the way your face looks. And no, you don't need expensive skincare. You don't need surgery. You don't need perfect genetics. Let's start with the biggest mistake almost every guy makes. Habit 1. Fix your sleep. If you sleep only 5 or 6 hours every night, your face pays the price. Poor sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone. That makes your face look puffy, your eyes darker, and your skin dull. Even one bad night of sleep can make you look less attractive the next day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Try sleeping at the same time every night. Within a few weeks, your skin, eyes, and overall face will look healthier without spending a single dollar. Habit 2. Stop waking up with a puffy face. If your jawline disappears every morning, it's probably not body fat. It's water retention. Eating too much salty food at night, drinking alcohol, dehydration, and poor sleep all make your face hold extra water. Drink enough water during the day. Eat less processed food before bed. Wash your face with cool water in the morning. Within days, your face can already start looking sharper. Habit 3. Train your neck. Most men train their chest, their arms, their abs, but they completely ignore their neck. A stronger neck improves posture and can make your jawline appear more defined. You don't need complicated exercises. Simple neck flexion, extension, and side movements a few times a week are enough. Start slowly and use controlled movements. Consistency matters more than heavy weight. Habit 4. Build a simple skincare routine. No, you don't need 10 different products. A simple routine is enough. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. Use a moisturizer. And every morning, wear sunscreen. Sun damage is one of the biggest reasons men age faster. Daily sunscreen helps prevent wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and premature aging. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Habit 5. Eat foods that improve your skin. Your face reflects your diet. If your meals are full of sugar, junk food, and soft drinks, your skin often becomes oilier and more inflamed. Instead, eat more protein. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Include healthy fats like eggs, fish, nuts, and avocados. These nutrients support healthy skin and collagen production. You don't need a perfect diet. Just make better choices more often. Habit 6. Fix your posture. This one is surprisingly powerful. Bad posture changes the way your entire face looks. Rounded shoulders and a forward head position make your jawline look weaker. Stand tall. Pull your shoulders back. Keep your chin neutral instead of pointing it forward. Not only will you look more confident, you'll instantly appear more attractive. Sometimes confidence starts with posture. Habit 7. Get leaner. Here's the truth that many people don't want to hear. If you're carrying extra body fat, your face usually carries it too. No face exercise can replace overall fat loss. Focus on strength training. Walk more. Eat enough protein. Stay in a small calorie deficit if you need to lose fat. As your body gets leaner, your facial definition naturally improves. Your jawline becomes more visible. Your cheekbones stand out, and your entire face looks stronger. Now imagine following these 7 habits every day for the next 30 days. Better sleep, sharper skin, less puffiness, better posture, a stronger neck, a leaner face. None of these changes happen overnight, but together, they completely change the way you look. Because looking attractive isn't about chasing perfection. It's about building better habits every single day. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more science-based self-improvement videos. And before you leave, comment below. Which habit are you starting today?